What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my Glam Bag X for this month of August. So hopefully you guys are excited to see what I've got for this month. So if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell on so you guys don't miss none of my video. And also, why not like this video if you guys enjoyed it and find it useful. So other than that, let's go ahead and continue. Alright, you guys, so now that I have my Glam Bag X in here, I can't wait to actually share with you guys all the products that are inside. But this Glam Bag X actually costs $50, so I do get it quarterly. And I also do get my Glam Bag Plus every month as well for $25. And one quick thing, so starting next month, it'll probably be $28, so make sure that you guys are aware of that. So I just kind of wanted to let you guys know, just in case if you didn't know. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how the box looks like, just in case if you guys are interested to get one for yourself. So in case if you do end up getting this and upgrading your subscription, this is what you will be receiving, and this is how the box is going to look like. So here are all the products inside, and it also comes with this magazine right here, which is like a newspaper, and it shows you all the prices and details about the products that you get, and also the other products that were sent out for this month of August. So this is how the box looked like, and the first thing that I pull out of the box is this light lock highlight fluid. So this is how the box looks like. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Now this box right here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. This is what it looks like from up close. So this base right here is actually help you with, it has an illuminating base, and also it gives you that intense highlight, and it also helps you glow, has a booster along with your foundation. So you can definitely use this in 3 different ways. Just like I said, it will help you glow more once you apply your foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cap back, and this is actually retail for $32. Here we have the second item, and this is Art and Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette, and this is a cruelty-free palette as well. So this is what the back looks like, and then I'm going to show you guys a quick color swatch of what the palette actually looks like from up close. Alright, guys, so this palette is valued for $58 if you guys do get it. Now for this palette right here, you can definitely go ahead and use it wet or dry, however you guys like to create your own look. So it does come with a lot of shimmer colors inside, so that way you can go ahead, you know, and apply it as you wish. So it is formulated with organic coconut oil and organic shea butter to create an uber smooth buttery texture for one swipe application. It's an organic moringa oil, helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improves the overall appearance of the skin, and soothes inflammation. So as you guys can see, it does come in with 12 shades inside, and they all got their name in there, so that way you guys can know what eyeshadow you are applying on. And as I mentioned, this is a 100% vegan and cruelty free. For those of you who are interested to know more details and facts about it, we are definitely gonna be trying the palette as well. With the third item, here I have the Volition Glow Awakening Moisturizer, which is this one right here, and this is actually retail for $39, and also it is a cruelty free as well. So this is how the product looks like out of the box. So it does say that you apply these on morning and night. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of this, so that way we can go ahead and start trying these products. And it does smell good, you guys. You apply this twice a day, so this will help you moisturize and soothe and depuff and energize the dual tiredness of your skin. So moving on, here I have the Emerald Herbivore Botanical Moisturizer, and this is another moisturizer that I've received as well. So I probably won't be trying on this because I had already tried it, and also because you're supposed to apply these twice a day as well, day and night. approximately 2 to 8 drops to cleanse and tone the skin. So since I already went ahead and applied the moisturizer, I don't know if I'm going to use it, but so that way you guys can know a little bit about it, I am going to show it just so that way you guys can see how it looks. So this is how the Emerald moisturizer looks like from up close, and this is valid for $48. So like it says, this will help you calm and soothe, nourish and moisturize your skin. So this is how it looks like. So you just go ahead and apply a couple of drops, but I'm not going to be adding a lot, just a little bit, and then all you have to do is apply it into your face, all over your face. Just don't let the serum get into your eyes, because you don't want to be having like an allergy reaction into your eyes. So make sure that if that serum gets into your eyes or something, just rinse it off with some water and then you should be fine. So this should help you soothe and calm your skin within the time. So if you guys are interested about this as well, it is retail for $48. I'm going in with Dr. Brandt. Now I actually went ahead and picked this for myself just because I really love their brands, and I love everything. I love how it goes to my skin. I don't know if it makes any sense, but I really like this. So if you guys have been watching me, you know that I will be having at least one of these products in my beauty box just because I love it so much. But this time is for the Time Defining Cream with Juvenize and Plus Complex, I guess that's how you say it. So this is for all skin types, and you go ahead and apply these into a cleansed skin for AM and PM, and this is how the bottle looks like, and this is retail for $132. This is also a moisturizer, you guys. This will help you smooth and firm and lift up more youthful looking complexion, and all you have to do is massage it into a clean and dry skin both morning and night after the rest of your skincare. So as always, you guys, if you guys love it, is $132. All right, you guys, so here is another product that I picked out because I don't know if there's a lot of you guys, but I'm the type of person who loves to extend my lashes and to grow more. So I went ahead and picked this one out so that way I can go ahead and try it. So it does say that this is going to help you get some fuller lashes, and this is actually retail for $65, and this is how it looks like. So you go ahead and apply these before bed. After washing and drying your face, you could just go ahead and sweep the applicator brush along with your upper lash line. And for best results, it's best if you use this consistently for at least 8 weeks. So that way it can help you get those longer and thicker lashes. I'm going to go ahead and start using this tonight for the next 8 weeks and see how and hopefully we do start seeing some results. And if I do, I will be posting on my story on Instagram, so that way you guys get to know a little bit of updates from this. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll leave it down somewhere around down here for you guys, so that way you can go ahead and start following me. So let's move along. All right, you guys, so here I have the Complex Culture 4-piece brush set. Now this brush set is valued for $74, you guys, and they are 100% cruelty free. Now each brush in this set was meticulously designed to do the work of multiple brushes to save you time, effort, and room your makeup bag. Plus, the first of its kind biodegradable handles feature a velvety matte finish for extra grip and control. So you can definitely use this brush set with your favorite eyeshadow and highlighters to blend shade and contour. So this brand was actually a collab between beauty pros and community of women, aims to simplify your routine so you feel twice as confident half of the time. So if you guys love these 4 set of brushes, I will be also leaving a description down below for you guys to check it out if you guys would like to purchase it separately. If you don't want to get, you know, like the whole products that I got from my box, I will be leaving a description for each of the products that I have mentioned in here as well. So it has, like I said, If you guys are interested in buying this, it is $74. And lastly, we're going in with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is a black mascara, cause I'm black, that's what it's called. So this is what the mascara looks like, and it is really nice and beautiful, you guys. This is so gorgeous. Now this mascara is $24, and this will help you hold up while you turn up. The innovative brush heads creates mega volume, length, and thickens for a dramatic lash look, and the long wearing water resistant yet black pigments won't smudge or smear for hours. Alright guys, so now that we had already tested and show you guys all of the products from this month of August, we're gonna go ahead and start with the most fun part, which is the palette. So I am going to be playing along with some of these colors down here, just like I show you. So I don't know yet exactly what we're going to be creating, but we're going to go ahead and test this out. So in case if you do want to end up buying these, like I said, you can definitely go ahead and check this palette out if you guys love it. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with this tone color right here, which is called Moonchild, and I'm going to be using the all over shadow, the one that we received from our box. So this is the color that we're going to be using. I'm going to be using that as a transition color. Alright, so I know it looks kind of weird, but that's fine. So going in with the second set, I'm going to use this precision eyelid. I know it's not for what I'm going to be using it, but everything you use definitely just works. You just have to know how to work it out. So I'm going to be grabbing Spirit, which is this color right here. Then going in with Spirit, which is a lighter color, I'm going in with the second set of the brush, which is the precision eyelid. I know that's for the eyelid, but I'm just going to use it so that way I can go ahead and continue adding it to the other, on top of the other color. I know it looks weird, but it's okay. With makeup, you can always end up creating so many looks that you just don't know if it's actually gonna turn out good or not. So going back with the same brush that we first started, we're just going to continue blending. Then going in with the same brush from the precision eyelid, I'm going to go ahead and grab Eclipse, which is this one, and I'm just going to use that as my base. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying that into the lid. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade, which is called Sapphire. Alright you guys, so look at all these followers that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these really quick, and I'm going to go ahead and set up my foundation as well, so that way this video doesn't take that long. So I'll be right back, you guys, with the lashes and everything else, so that way we can go ahead and continue on with the rest of the product. Alright you guys, so I finally went ahead and finished up with everything else. So far this is how it looks. I'm really loving everything from this month of August, you guys. It's so pretty. With this Glam Bag X, you guys, we were able to create this look. You guys, I just love it so much, and this is what a $50 box gets you to create for you. So yes, you guys, I really love it. Love all the products. I review my box a 5-star. Like I said, if you guys are interested in receiving this bond, make sure that you guys get your subscription from Ipsy. I'll be leaving the link down below for you guys if you guys are interested in joining. And also, you guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up also if you guys enjoyed it. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be leaving down here somewhere on the screen the total ballot of everything that I received for this month. So other than that, you guys, I feel like we are completely done. So I'm just going to go ahead and add really quick some mascara, because I just noticed that I forgot to add the Fenty mascara underneath the lashes. So that this is the last thing I'm going to add before ending this video, because this was the last item that I had to apply. So See the difference from this one that has the mascara and this one that doesn't have the mascara? So this is the last thing I'm adding from my box. So that way we can go ahead and end this video. But so far, I'm loving it, you guys. And adding a couple more to the lashes. And this is how it came out. So the glow that you guys see from here is from About Face. So I went ahead and added some of this. So it looks so pretty, you guys. I love it. I went ahead and added along with my foundation, and it just looks pretty nice and refreshing, and I love it so much, you guys. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for staying till the end of this video. And as always, I'll be happy to see you guys for our next video. Bye, guys.